Good day, Sir Six. I am the leader of Group 5 Proposition Issues and a research entitled The Level of Parental Involvement on Education in Secondary School Students.
Chapter 1. Introduction. Parental involvement is a process involving parents in their child's education through school-based curricular and extracurricular activities. Parental participation influences adolescent child academic progress and play a big role in their lives. Education for children is a joint responsibility between parents and teachers.
Theoretical and conceptual framework. The theories that we use in our studies are the model of parental involvement process, the cognitive development, and lastly, the theory of unplanned behavior. The main theory of our research is the model of parental involvement process because it suggests the parental supports to their children and can be classified into one or more categories, which is the involvement through encouragement, involvement through modeling, involvement through reinforcement, and lastly, the involvement through instructions. The supporting theory of our research is the cognitive development and the unplanned behavior theory because our studies is also focuses on mental and behavioral state of the students.
Statement of the problem. The study aims to describe the level of parental involvement in the education of grade 12 students at Santo Pia National High School. To do this, it examines the demographic characteristics of parents as well as their level of participation in school events, providing support and monitoring their child's academic progress.
Scope and limitation. The main object of this study is to investigate and analyze the correlation between the level of parental involvement in a student's education and the school year. Significance of the study. Parents. This means that by being involved in their child's education, parents can positively influence their child's academic progress. Students. This can motivate students to perform better academically, knowing that their parents are actively supporting and engaging with their educational journey. Teacher. This can help teachers in their approach to teaching and in fostering perform learning environment.
Chapter 3, Research Methodology, Research Design. In this quantitative study, the researcher used descriptive design. Descriptive design seeks to describe a current status of one variable. The research respondent will be the parents of grade 12 student of Santo Pia National High School. Researchers utilized a simple random sampling process. The study was conducted at Santo Pia National High School, Senior High School campus, school located at Capitol Hill, Silaheta City, Surigao del Sur. Research instrument. Researcher used survey questionnaire according to Icardal and Armstrong 2017 a series of questions asked individual to obtain statistical useful information about the given topic.
Statistical training of the data. In this part, the researchers compiled and tallied the data with the use of main and sloping formula. Main is to know the total sum of values in a sample, and sloping formula used to calculate sample size in a population.
Chapter 4. The demographic profile of respondents in terms of age. As seen in the table above, most of respondents came from 41 to 45 years old, and the lowest came from 56 and 60 years old. Illustrated above, demographic profile of the respondent in terms of sex, with the 60% from female, while for male are 40%. Consequently, majority of respondents is female.
The level of parental involvement shows that statement number 1, with a mean of 3.26, ranked the highest. On the other hand, statement number 9 ranked the lowest with a mean of 2.17. Furthermore, parents with greater educational attainment are more likely to contact with schools, get involved with their children's academics, and have a high expectation for their children, according to Pincourt and Evelyn Wilson.
Chapter 5, Findings. The demographic profile of the respondents, including the age, gender, occupation, and monthly income, is thoroughly analyzed in this chapter. There is considerable amount of parental participations in all events. It also focuses on evaluating academic reports and offering assistance with learnings and varies depending on a number of circumstances.
Conclusions. The conclusions drawn emphasize the critical role of parental involvement in academic success. These involvements identify the significant factors in shaping educational outcomes.
evaluation and recommendation, there are two concerns. First, investigation of student motivation and self-regulation. It is suggested to delve into how parental involvement impacts the development of student motivation. Second, exploration of parenting style and practices. Another recommendation is to examine the influence of determined styles and practices and academic outcomes. By focusing these strategies, researchers educators can further elucidate and intricate the dynamics between parental involvement and student development and academic